Greetings, families and friends. It's your favorite Rasta man again. And this morning, we're going to be witnessing a very important, intricate part of the peanut baking. This is the first time we're using this pan, and you caught a situation that many don't see. This is the ancient way in Jamaica here that we bake the peanut. And what you caught us doing, setting up the actual, mount for the pan. This is the expert right here, the baking expert, Las. And here's the pan. We just have to dig out 2 holes basically to place the posts with the crotch to sit them up. And this is the first time we're using this pan. And I had to run a minute ago. I almost forgot to record the whole situation because, as we say, we're documenting our life worldwide. We're not taking any bribe. Yeah. Look right, cause come in, let me take it down. How you set it first? They don't want to know, and that's why they don't know. So I just flow like the wind and move just like the snow. Say now you believe me, cause I'm looking for you. Later on, you don't know where the Rasta go. Cause I say they don't know, cause they don't want to know. And that's a Rasta flow, the place I go. They don't know. Just see how the pan is made. It's made with a lot. Right? Iron goes straight through it. They don't how the wind it a blow. I make me grow, just like the chicken star. So me want fi know like Noah, me no want fi dumb like the doer. Oh yeah, me want fi high like the tower. Me not go far can't believe she got a heart full of stone. She got a heart full of stone. I am telling you it go. She says from the soul of the heart. But she knows she me body. That's why she take God money. She can't walk this sister road. Can't believe you got a heart full of stone. Feel with man cold, cold. Can't believe you got a heart full of stone. Now for heat up the phone. Pull it down, down. Pull it down, brother. Pull it one down now. Alright. Bring it back up some. Well, you have it, you know, so you bring it down a little bit, you know. Bring it down this way a little bit now, brother. Don't push it on. Pick it up, because you'll rock out these things. Alright. See, cup things in here. The pan and I sit down good. First turns of the pan, you know? Yeah, right now we're just heating up the pan, you know, because it's a new pan. Spin it 2 times for me, brother. Huh? Yeah? At the mouth of the bag, me try getting up more if I hold up, brother. Round the back, you have to talk, brother. Just hold the mouth of the bag. Push the peanut over the glass.
Strain the rest of the salt, please. Black oil, make it. I need a ball feet. Eh? Master. I'm gonna run better. No, because I tell me to look for them going there. About how long you bake for? About an hour?
Yeah, about hour and about 25 minutes, all about that. So like an hour is all in there. It's not little longer. About hour and 25 minutes, all about hour and a half. Every week, hour and 25 minutes, you're alright.
Yo, check it.
Yeah.
Yo!
Put it up, put it down on the ground. I'll walk me. I'll check the peanut every food here. So it is. Check the peanut every.
You put it over here, sir.
Yeah, anyway, yeah. I'm not gonna have. You have to use it. Go back. Chip. You would have chip off. You have to pick up on the wall for board the door. You get it? No, it's still night and you want to get the board. No, you can turn this now. You can turn this now. That's half hour.
Put the pan. You know, if you put more, this more thing like
Firewood.
cardboard.
No man, that's a bit of the world like that.
I have you on the internet now, lad. And history you're making right now. I tell you, history you're making now. The first time the pan is being used, and I got the master baker here. Yeah. St. Elizabeth finest peanut baker. Last. And we will send this batch of peanut right here on to Florida. Yeah, for all the vegans, all the Rasta, all the Jamaicans that have been missing the Jamaican peanut. Yeah. For example, it's a joy, it's a dream. And my goal is to, you know, continue to feed the people abroad with the fine natural peanut and the Jamaican organic product, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you hear me right? Yeah, at the Crocus Bag Farm, I know, the Rasta man, me there here right in the fire. I go and roast it up with my cousin and I get it to you in a foreign. So remember to follow the channel, the Crocus Bag Farmer, CROCUSBAGFARMER, the Crocus Bag Farmer. And check me out on the other channels, Deep Roots TV, on TikTok and on YouTube. Yeah, the fire blaze. Me there, I'm amazed and I'm blazing too. So big up on yourself. Yeah, from last, the master baker, Cornwall here, you know, and the Rastafari soldier. More life, more job, yeah. Okay, you ready? Not take out it, but there's a bit of from behind it. Alright, here the master baker say. Master baker say we got it. We got it. We got it, people, we got it. So right now, we're gonna empty it out. Just turn him out. Come on.
Come on, that's all. This is your trade, but turn over here.
Come on, come on, come on. Right there. Pick up your hand.
Put on your hand. Put on your hand.
Pick up your hand.
Put on your hand. And lift up that one.
Pick up your hand.
Put it on, put it on. Put it on. Alright, lift up now. Start your hand.
Put on now.
Yeah, this is strong.
The final process. Don't put in a corner. Well, we have a little plastic thing in around here so we can squeeze.
I mean, the back foot. Back here, hold my door.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good. Cardboard, I'm not the peanut run down in that one. Young, so feed the family. Straight to America with this, see? Yeah, straight to America. Yes. Yeah, you know, sir, this is Las, the master baker for the peanut. And he's the first to actually operate this new roasting pan right here that I acquire. Give thanks to Blacker from Lackovia for building this roasting pan for me. If you want a roasting pan like this, just link up Blacker. He is right across from the primary school, the Lackovia primary school, not the high school, but the primary school right there on Lackovia Highway in St. Elizabeth. Big up yourself, Blacker. More life and more joy and more happiness. Families and friends, thank you very much for joining me. It's a very important episode here because I plan on taking these processes to the brewer. So all the people them were roast peanut, plant peanut, I'm Rastafari soldier. I'm here alongside Master Baker here in St. Elizabeth, Las. And wanting to subscribe, follow me, leave your comment. If you want to get a pan like mine, you know, I could give you Blacker connection. Give me a link. You can link me up on the Yahoo at deeprootstudio@yahoo.com, or you can link me up on the Gmail, deeprootstv@gmail.com, or the real Rasta Soldier, yeah, at Gmail. But leave your comments, leave your contacts in my comments, and I'll answer you whether in the comments or call you. Link me up on the WhatsApp 876 553